Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Among Us character wearing a paper bag on his head. So this is one of the little hats that you can get from the game. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with part of the body of the character. So we're going to start right here, and you want to draw a line that just goes down, kind of at a curve. Next, you're going to draw a line that curves over. It's going to go up a little bit, and then you're just going to go over like this. Next, you're going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come over. And then you're just going to go up to right about here. I want to bring this line up just a little bit higher. Now, starting over here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down. It's going to come around, it's going to go out, and come up to right about here. Next, I'm going to take this line, I'm going to go up, and I'm going to come down at an angle. Then I'm going to go straight across. Then I'm going to curve this up at an angle. You want to go over. Then we're going to come down right to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down. And then I'm going to bring it right down here at an angle. Then right here, we're going to draw a line that goes out. It's going to go down and then over. Now, in here, we're going to start with the mouth. So you just want to draw a line that goes over. It's going to come down and up in like a V shape. It's going to go over again and then down and back up and over. Then we're going to draw two oval shapes for the eyes. So you want to have one oval shape here and another oval shape right here. Then right here, we're going to put a little V shape and a little line down. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Among Us hat with the paper bag on its head. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.